Hey guys, I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. It has now been over 4 years since my last video. In that time, I've completed my apprenticeship in mechanical fitting. I've brought new cameras, drones, 3D printers and tools to keep making these videos. And just recently, I bought this place, a 120-acre property with this new large workshop. So this will now become my new workshop. It is 25 by 15 meters wide with 6 meter high walls. I started moving in here around 3 months ago and it is filling up fast. So before I continue, there's a few things that I'm wanting to change. Firstly, I'm wanting to build a mezzanine on this end of the shed to help out with storage, as well as build a bit of an entertainment area. I'm then wanting to board up the whole bottom half of the shed with this second-hand wood that I got off Marketplace. It is quite echoey in here, so I'm hoping that will help out with the sound, as well as just look better overall. So with nothing further to do, let's start. That took longer than I'm willing to admit. And I'm back. So as you can see behind me, I've rushed ahead and done a little bit off camera. I finished building the staircase as well as adding all the handrails. I was originally going to bolt the handrails onto the truss, but I decided to weld them instead as it's much stronger. I did, however, leave this small gap in the middle that can be unbolted and removed so I can still lift stuff up with the forklift later on. So all there's left to do now is paint the entire mezzanine and board up the bottom half of the shed as well as on the mezzanine, and then that's it. So let's get started.
Boy, on a real hesitation creeping in, but you look so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system? My desires are so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in and make me feel. Draw me in and make me feel. Draw me in and make me feel. Make me feel.
And that is it. So as you can see behind me, everything is now finished. I've got everything laid out as I want. It will be a little bit of a work in progress as I'm still wanting to put some windows up on top of the mezzanine and change a few other things around. But as for now, I'm just wanting to finish this video so that I can start on some new projects. A couple of other things to build the mezzanine. I've used 100 by 50 millimeter RHS to build the main truss. I've then got 250 millimeter C purlins coming off of that with 150 millimeter C purlins on top of them. I've then used a 430 millimeter joist spacing with 22 millimeter structure floor on top of that. As for the stairs, I've used 150 by 50 millimeter RHS for the two main stringers. And then for each stair tread, I've used 50 by 50 millimeter RHS. Anyway guys, that's all I've got for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to see upcoming projects, and thanks for watching.